As we slowly start to get out and about and return to work, a lot of us will need to wear PPE or face masks, and we may be for some time. A lot of you have been asking for advice around how to stop your glasses steaming up and slipping. Well, here are 5 of our top tips. Tip 1. If you can and it's comfortable, pull your mask further up your nose and place your glasses on top of it. Tip 2. If that fails, try surgical tape. You'll find it in a chemist or online. It's not the prettiest, but it can be used to hold down the mask over the bridge of your nose. Tip 3. Stop the mask slipping by knotting the ties to the arms of your glasses. Tip 4. Try spending some time adjusting the ties on your mask. The tighter the better to stop breath escaping upwards. Tip 5. Contact lenses. Steam-free and comfortable, especially if you're wearing PPE. If you've never tried them, our in-store team are around to guide you through the process step by step. We'll even give you some free ones to see how you get on.